Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Deidran. British actor and rapper Kano is currently in the island. The actor was seen hanging with Popcaan, the unruly one, who posted pictures and videos of the two in Kingston.
The view from the 876. Me and the legendary K.A. there. So K.A. there in that place. Don't feel like silence me already. We're in from the 876 right now at Bristol. K.A. bring the blessing.
That is it, K.A. Bless me today. Bless me today.
Now, Kano, who is of Jamaican descent, in 2021 released a new Jamaican rum, which he says is born from the memories, the smells, and the flavors that reflect his roots and the profound impact of Jamaican culture on London and the world. Dex Daps teases new album. The artist, who was in the island for the release of Slow Motion mini-movie, his collab with Baby Sham and Bounty Killer, told E-Prime that he has his own solo project in the making.
New music is definitely in the making. Doing an album now named Trilogy. That's gonna be massive. Look out.
The project could not come at a better time, as the singer has lately seen a lot of international momentum since being featured on African artist Davido's #1 Billboard chart-topping and record-breaking album, Timeless. Now, Shakira named as Billboard's 2023 Latin Woman of the Year. Over the weekend, the chart-topping artist accepted the first ever award at Billboard's Latin Woman of the Year Gala in Florida. While winning the honor, Shakira delivered a personal and emotional speech, even referring to her high-profile breakup with former footballer Gerard Piqué last year.
En la vida de toda mujer, en la que ya uno no depende de alguien para llegar a quererse o aceptarse tal cual es.
Shakira is fondly known as the Queen of Latin Music. She has 12 Latin Grammy Awards, 3 Grammys, along with 21 Guinness World Records, and 7 Billboard Music Awards. Ed Sheeran surprises fans with the release of Subtract. Following his copyright win against Marvin Gaye's Let's Get It On last Thursday, the British artist did just that, and the very next day released his 6th studio album, Subtract. Fans were further surprised when later Friday evening, the Thinking Out Loud singer